Hello everyone, welcome today in this daily newspaper on, yes, it's a Monday already. Yes, Monday, December the 7th, 2020. Yes, how was your weekend? Great weekend? You have great weekend or bad weekend? Anyway, in this daily newspaper, we have only one regular Sudoku, a medium one, but also in this whole page, we have an additional here. Additional with extra Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic, second tectonic, 1 binary, and a second binary. We have total of 8 extra Sudokus in additional and 1 regular Sudoku. And this Sudoku, Medium Sudoku, let me focus this. I need to focus. Yes. This one will be number 1979. Alright. And what kind? No. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. We have here 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 5 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. 15 plus 4 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 2, total of 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudoku in additional, the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars has 26. So this is a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this column 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. Here 3, no 3 in this box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 9 in this column. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Then 7, 9, 8. Alright. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column and next, only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there, only place for the 5 should be there. Then Uh, then. 5, 5, 5. All right. Let me see. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for a 9 should be there. Then. How about the middle column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9, 9. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row. The 2 and the 5 are missing. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. One box left for the 2 should be there. There should be the 5. And this box left. One box left in this big square for the number 5 also. Yes. 5, 5, 5, 5. All right. 2, 2, 2, 2. 6, 6. 3, 3. How about the number 6? We need a 6 in this big square. You see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8, I believe. Yes. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. So no 8 in those 3 boxes. Here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. Oh, yes. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. Okay. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 5. Here or there, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, only place for a 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. Here 7, no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row. The 2 and the 6 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this last column for the number 2, I believe. Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Let me mark those 3 and 9. How about 1, 3 and 2? Yes, 3 missing numbers, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 in this big square. We see here 2 and a 3, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. So 1 box left for the 1. 2 boxes left in this middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing. 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 9. Let me mark those. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 3. 6 and 9. 2 boxes left in the third column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 6, and the 7. Yeah, 7 should be. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9, 9, 9. Okay, 9, 9. 2, 2. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 boxes left in the second column. The 1 and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7 is missing. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 6 and the 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be a 9. And this should be a 6. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this column. The 2 is missing and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in the middle row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 should be here. And the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 9 and the 1. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 1 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great. Medium Sudoku. I like this one. This 2 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.